Hi, my name is Lindsay with Topica, and today I'm going to show you how to set up and send a new campaign. First, you want to go to Campaigns, New Campaign. Select Standard Campaign for the type. Name it something you will recognize. I'm going to call it Lindsay Test with the date. Check here if you want to include a forward to a friend link in the footer of your email, and also check here to track individual customer activity. These are your opens and clicks in your reporting of your campaign. Save and continue. And the next screen is your message content screen. This is the meat of your campaign. First, you'll select an audience. This will show you all the audiences in your Topica list. Right now I just have my all subscribers audience. And now I need to set up a from name. Your from name should be something that your subscribers will recognize, perhaps your business name or your personal name. I'm going to use Lindsay at Topica. And you also need to set up a from address. Again, this should be something that your subscribers will recognize. If you've been mailing to them before, you might want to use the same from address. Here you'll type in your subject line. This should be something that will introduce your email newsletter, but also help your message stick out from the other messages in your subscribers' inbox. For now, I'm just going to put Lindsay Test Campaign. Test group are email addresses that you would like to receive a test message of your campaign before it goes live. It's a good idea to include multiple email addresses of your own, perhaps some of your colleagues' email addresses and email addresses at different domains, so you can see how the message will look in other email browsers. Now here you have the option to use your own HTML or text, or use a Topica template. If you're using your own HTML, you can just cut and paste HTML code from Dreamweaver or PageBreeze or other HTML editor programs right into the box here. If you click Save and you preview the HTML, you'll see the simple HTML that I created here. However, you can also use a template. This Lindsay template is one that I have pre-created. As you can see here, I used a Topica logo, have a main picture image, and some body text. All these are editable, as well as the colors, and you can do that in the templates menu here by creating a new template. If you want to edit anything, you just click Edit and type in any of your body text, call to action link, destination URL, etc. If I save this, I can preview it as well here under Preview HTML, and this will show me what my campaign will look like. Also now I can choose to send test mails by clicking this link, and these email addresses will be sent a test message of my campaign. I'm going to go back into my campaign and go through the other steps of creation. Here I'm going to click Save and Continue. On this next screen is the activity tracking screen. It's going to show you all the URLs in your campaign. You can choose to track them or not. I do want to track them, so I'm going to leave those checked. Next, I can apply a suppression list. A suppression list is kind of a temporary never mail list in your Topica account. They're not used too often, but if you did want to use one, you could select it now. I'm not going to use one, so I'm going to click Save and Continue. And here's where I can select my delivery schedule. So I can say on a specific date that I want my campaign to be sent, as well as the time. One important thing to note is that it will be in Pacific Standard Time. I can click Save and Schedule, or I can also click Send Now down here. For now, I'm going to click Save and Schedule, and this is going to bring me back to my current campaigns menu. You can see my Lindsay Test campaign here with the schedule, delivery date, and time. And that is how you create a new campaign.